Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2016 Chevrolet Silverado crew cab, silver metallic in color. Got nice tinted windows. As you can see, it's got a nice 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, suspension lift. Got the towing package. It's got some nice 20-inch fuel wheels with some brand new Toyo open country tires, 35, 12.5, 20. Got the nice HID automatic headlights, tow hooks, keyless remote entry. It's a Southern truck. This was a local trade, no rust. How about that? I guess we need to do that again. Get these amps, research power step. It's pretty nice on a lifted truck. Makes it easy to get in and out. I've had a few trucks with these. That's the best one you can get, I think. And they got LED lights too. Give you a little bit of light at nighttime. It's got cloth seats. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Get some all-weather floor mats. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Got 69,700 miles. Got your cruise control. Got all your trip computer information here. Oil life flash been serviced recently. Tire pressure sensors are working. Got the 6-speed automatic transmission with the tow mode and the manual shift. It's got Apple CarPlay. Right now I've got it hooked up to my phone, which is real nice. It projects everything you've got on your phone that's compatible with this. So you can have Google Map, which is a lot better than any factory GPS. Music. So it's really nice. It's got OnStar navigation, but with your phone hooked up, it's a lot better. AM, FM, CD player, Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. XM, you have to subscribe for that, but if you have it on your phone, you can just stream it. It's basic climate control, traction control, cup holder. This raises up. That's where I got my phone. This raises up for a third passenger or more storage. Got your OnStar. Got lots of room here. These seats raise up. Lots of room. Just got a little dent here. Got a few spots been touched up. As expected with these big wheels sticking out. Got a few spots have been chipped here, but silver is easy to cover up. It's got the 5.3 liter V8. These come with the active fuel management, but it's been disabled. A lot of my customer, I get them to do this because it makes it where you have a lot less trouble down the road. And it doesn't actually save any fuel. It just gives you more trouble down the road. If you look it up on the internet, it's disabled with software, and it's just a lot more reliable. It's been serviced. Also, it's been certified. So it's fully inspected. And then we guarantee with a 24-month, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's backed by Allstate. And you can upgrade that to bumper to bumper for a small fee, which I recommend. It covers everything just like a new car warranty. If you're looking for a sharp truck that's already all done up so you don't have to spend a bunch of money, this here's your ticket. To see if the Silverado is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.